Nothing. It's closed right now. Stuck open. Alright. What's the problem? It works. Hey Tofi, how are you? So yeah, see the check engine light's not on. Where's he? What's up, bro? How are you?
Yeah.
Busy, huh?
Yeah. What were you doing to this one?
The purge valve. It's just P0496.
Yeah, it seems like you need some lifters too.
Yeah, you hear it, huh?
I want to say it was 500,000 views on our YouTube.
You guys?
Yeah.
Nice.
We built one of the cheapest, fastest cars.
Oh man, what's the name of the you guys?
DIY Mike.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, he was with us, but we built a Honda Del Sol.
Oh, okay. I think I saw it. I need to look it up.
Honda Del Sol. We
Yeah.
got 11.6. 11.7.
Over here
at
the speedway.
Yeah.
Nice.
And it only took us 2,500 to build it.
Nice. How long did it take for you guys to build it?
2 months.
2 months. Not bad. So now you guys having fun with it.
Yeah, we're trying to go to 10s though.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep trying to do cheap parts.
So what is it? All motor?
No, turbo.
Turbo? Oh, cool.
Turbo B series.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Well,
Buy yourself a drink, yeah?
Oh,
All right,
see you,
Jared.
take it easy.
Okay, take it easy. Yeah, passed. Look at that. All right, guys. Let's see what's inside. Getting there. Yeah, rotor, it's at 27 millimeter. Yeah, it's a bitch to cut. it's hot. Ow. Ooh, ooh, it's hot. Oh shit, look at those windings, copper windings.